cold. Easy she come, easy she go. I'm falling apart, but I can't get enough. Easy my love come and easy she go. Someone to touch but never to hold. Where did you come?
Here we are waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Hey Evelyn, are you excited for the bus?
Got me feeling like the first time. Get down like you know what you're doing. Head now, got me tripping on you. So high, but I know you're gonna let me flow. Meltdown, girl, you're moving like fluid. Hey now, I'ma sink into you. So fine, I wanna melt right into you. Easy my love, easy she go. Selling me someday like false hope.
Pretty sunny day. Pretty nice. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Are we flying?
But never to hold. Where did you come from and where did you go? I'm gonna follow forever, I know. Oh, the way you pull me deeper in, how you cover every inch. Whoa, got me feeling like the first time. Get down like you know what you're doing. Head now, got me tripping on you. So high, but I know you're gonna let me flow. Meltdown, girl, you're moving like fluid. Hey now, I'ma sink into you. So fine, I wanna melt right into you. Easy my love, easy my love.
First interview question.
Got a grandpa face. The teeth back.
What was your favorite part of skiing today?
Is the chairlift.
The chairlift. What did it feel like when you were on the chairlift?
I like the chairlift.
Yeah, how come you like the chairlift?
It makes me go way up high.
You like going way up high? What's your favorite part about this house?
And the hot tub.
Yeah, do you like the duck in the hot tub? What's his name?
I don't know.
You have to give him a name.
How about Bubbles?
Bubbles?
This is a good name.
Is that Bubbles the duck? What do you want to do tomorrow?
Is play somewhere.
Play what?
Somewhere.
Play somewhere? Do you want to go skiing again? Do you want to go on the chairlift? Do you want to fall in the snow? Yeah, that was fun, huh?
Evelyn, it's okay.